Today we're going to show you how to open up and flip your window sash to be able to clean it or replace it. Now I'll show you how to do this with a double hung window and a single hung window, and also stick to the end because I'll show you a little trick that no one really teaches you about these windows that could be super helpful. Now first thing you need to do is unlock these latches at the top and lift your window up just a little bit to get it past that little bottom area there. Now as you'll see right here and on this side, we've got these little clips that you can pull in and then carefully lower the window down. Now this makes it super easy just to set it against your chest and to be able to wash your window pretty easily. Now, here's the trick. A lot of people are having problems with this top window, saying that it won't come down. If you have a single hung window, that means this is the only sash that can open. This one is affixed to the window frame itself. So to be able to clean that, you'll either have to go outside or do one of these deals and try to clean it. Now if you have a double hung window, then this top sash is going to come down as well. You're going to pull it down just a little bit and it'll have the same type clips in the same area. Go ahead and pull those in. Nice and easy. There we go. It's got a little jiggle it a little bit there. Then that top sash comes down. You can go ahead and clean it as well. Now, I've had a few people also say that they've had either a crack in this or they want to just take out the window to be able to wash it somewhere else. Maybe take it outside with a hose, or it's just a little bit too hard to do all this at once. Now here, I'm going to lower the camera here so you can see this bottom area. So you see here and here, if you lower the window to about parallel with the floor, then this window should lift straight out of the hinges that it's on, tilt it a little bit to the side, and then you can take the window out. You can kind of see there, well, it's a little bit dark, maybe I go this way. You can see that there's this little metal piece here that fits inside. So when you're putting it back in, just do the opposite. Tilt it, go in slowly, make sure your window's perpendicular, parallel to the floor, perpendicular to the wall. Slide them back in to the hinges there, and then your window should go straight back up. Pop it back in. Now for the secret. You can learn everything about your window if you open it up and look on one of these sides. As you can see here, there is a barcode and all of the information is printed about the window. The size of the sash, the manufacturer, the date of manufacture is all on this. So if you have any problems with your window, or you need warranty information, or if you've got the fogginess in between your panes, give them a call and they should be able to help you out, because most of these windows have a lifetime warranty, if not maybe a 25-year warranty to get that stuff replaced. Well, that's how you open up and clean out your windows. I'm Luke Konjorski. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next Tuesday.